Well, it's being the right place at the right time. And you know, this is true in history with a lot of things.
Agriculture, where it's a moving dynamics out there, you have to have somebody that drives out to their farm and still worries about whether it's rained or what the grain price is, or climb up in the grain bin and make sure that everything's working like it's supposed to. We've got a dedicated group, whether it's a family that's running a business, and then our employees or engineers, that they really enjoy making a good quality product, whether it's, you know, in the engineering department or on the plant floor, or our sales group, they want to sell Sukup product. That we have to be either growing something or manufacturing in order to have that value added, so which is critical.